Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this button night light. You can just tap on it once and you can switch this mode. You can also hold your finger on it and access some of its settings. You can change its intensity, for example. You can switch it here, and you can add a schedule for this mode. For example, you can set your custom time, or you can just set it to turn on from sunset to sunrise. And if you don't have this night light button at your upper bar, which is probably could be like that, you just have to go to settings, then to display section, and here you have this night light options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.